don't know what happened there. But yeah, you'll see this level coming back up now. I've opened 2 of the drums. Let's just get the 3rd one open. Which will cause that one to do a clean. That's it. Yeah, you can see all very colourful down there now while the drums are cleaning. Whatever that all means. This is nearly back up to the top level. It's just balancing. And if I can get back off of this frame, it's incomplete without stacking it. Let's get my foot under there. There we go. And yeah, consequently you see the top up's having a little. Let's just stop. One's washing. Oh, this one's washing. Yeah. All good. So yeah, and then that airlift's just bubbling away nicely. Let's take a quick run round the other side and see if I can get a little clip of it pushing into the pond. I don't know how well it shows, but yeah, we'll have a little look. Let's put a little hose on that because it's disturbing the water surface too much and it's filling up. But yeah, looks all good so far.